Laboratory Information Management System, shortly called as LIMS, is a software-based solution with features that allows management with complete information starting from sample registration to publication of results to customers, implementing workflow and SOPs, automatic data capture using instrument integration, that is fetching results directly from testing instruments and test results, derives an integrated picture of every laboratory resource taking part in the specific analysis, such as manpower, equipment, and standard operating procedures. The advantages of LIMS. LIMS can be easily customized to any type of testing and calibration labs like chemical, mechanical, or biological labs. LIMS brings together all test results and supporting documents regardless of their format. This virtually eliminates the risk of errors and presents a complete report that can be viewed and downloaded online from client side using a web-based client application. This will reduce significant lead time in sending reports to customers. LIMS software complies with the requirements of accreditation bodies such as NABL, A2LA, and international buyers. Test report formats are easily customizable based on customers' requirements and also can generate reports in PDF format. Ensures data integrity with audit history detailing who, what, when, and why for all the events in the system. A mobile app is also available for this software. The salient features of LIMS are: the system automatically sends SMS and mail to customers wherever necessary, like receipts of sample, publication of reports online. Using LIMS, we can easily send pro forma to customers and ensure payments against the pro forma online. It is a role-based application. Separate dashboard is provided for different type of roles like manager, in charge, technician, etc. Automatic scheduling of different equipment queues are provided along with reschedule and retest options. Data sharing across system is easy. LIMS can be interfaced with any internal business-specific software. Extensive report formats are provided. Using this, we can generate daily, monthly, yearly reports, lab-wise, test-wise, group-wise reports for a number of samples, tests and income. Workflow. The workflow begins with configuring the tests, parameters, methods, roles, sampling points, and workflow. Secondly, recording sample tracking details like sample receipts, registration, pre-registration from client side, barcoding, and sample routing. Thirdly, work allocation includes either automatic or manual scheduling of samples to instruments or personnel, rescheduling of tests, and monitoring of workflow. Next is capturing of results. It can either be through manual or equipment integration. Next is approvals, including the following tasks: check, review, approve, retest, publishing of results, and manage documents. Lastly, releasing of reports, raising of invoice, querying of reports, and exporting data. Insights from LIMS. To know more about the look and feel of this LIMS application, we will discuss about the following screens: Manager login dashboard, sample registration, and sample queue. First is the Manager login dashboard. This is a powerful decision-making tool. It helps us to search across the entire data, sets quick to understand, and react to emerging trends or find a way to improve productivity or quality. Workflow and planning of resources. The dashboard shows at a glance the details like: 1. Pending sample details in each stage, like testing pending, verification pending, and publish pending for all the laboratories. This information is useful for managers to take corrective action in each laboratory. What are the samples pending in each stage can be ascertained by using the drill down option provided. 2. Income generated. This chart shows the income generated by different labs for specific period. Third, TAT, turnaround time. Estimates accurate turnaround time starting from the sample receipt to reporting of results to clients. This chart shows the performance of each lab by calculating the time taken from sample receipt to publishing of tests online. It will help managers further analyze the delays. Next is the sample statistics. This chart highlights the sample flow in all the laboratories. Finally, test statistics. Using this, one can ascertain day-wise number of tests carried in each lab. Next, we will discuss about the input details needed for this dashboard. Sample registration. This is the sample registration screen. This screen shows the list of sample inward entries made during the latest 1 month period. Dispatch number column is automatically filled up after completing invoice. Request number column shows the online request created by the customer for this particular inward number. At the top of the screen, option for filtering based on inward number, customer name, lab, test completed, sample description are provided. Quick view option is used to view the details of the inward. Access code details provided here is used by customers for viewing the test reports online. While sending the test report mail to customers, there is a link given in the mail for providing customer feedback. Feedback provided by customers for the particular inward is also shown. There is a new option at the top of the screen for creating new sample inward. Same look and feel are maintained in all the entry screens. Scheduling of instruments. Automatic scheduling option is available in LIMS software. Suppose we need to manually schedule a test to a specific instrument. In case if a particular test can be done in more than one instrument, scheduling screen is used. In order to facilitate reschedule of samples, 3 filtering options are provided at the top of the screen, namely lab, status, and sample number. After selecting the correct sample number and test, and using the option at the bottom of the screen like assign to instrument and staff, the corresponding sample can be rescheduled. Result entry. Results are captured in 4 different ways. 1. Reading from machine. Results are captured using machine login. For each machine, there is a separate login. Technician may log in using the name and read details using the read option provided. 2. Sample-wise and test-wise direct entry. 3. Sample-wise. At a time, results pertaining to all tests of a particular sample can be entered in a single step using the bulk result option. 4. Descriptive type. Using this option, results uploaded inward-wise result entry may be made. After clicking this, a Word editor will open with all formatting options for preparing test reports. Publishing. This page is provided with the purpose of publishing of samples that are only verified in the verification page. Performing retest after publishing of results. This page is available to manager and in-charge logins. From this page, you can publish the results without payment. In this screen, multi-sample publish option and unpublish option are also provided. Next is sample analytics. This is a comprehensive report providing details about number of samples, number of tests, and income generated in different labs for specific period. Sample queue. This report provides the details about what are the samples in each equipment queue. This report is mainly used for work allocation purpose. Finally, there are more than 50 reports provided under 7 groups.